In today's video, we are gonna find how to write numbers in standard form. Okay, so what is standard form? Let us see it in a few minutes. So in today's video, we are gonna see about how to write numbers in standard form. So why do we use standard form basically? So for example, let's take this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's take these very large numbers. So how do you calculate it? So now we can just calculate it 0, point 0. Okay, let's calculate it like this. So this can be basically separated as 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a minute. Okay, okay. So it would be like 5, 9, 8, 7, 6 times 10 raised to 14. So now this is how we can do it. So need to write this much numbers. This much numbers you not need to write, but unless you can take this number and convert it into this format, which is very small. So that's why we use standard form. Let us see a few examples. So first of all, let's take the number. So let's take 299792458. So we take this number, and if they ask you to write in the standard form, first there are no decimal place. Remember that are no decimal place. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So there are no decimal places. So what you have to do is you usually imagine like you have the decimal point over the end. So how do you write it? So every time you have to add the end. So it would be 299792458. Okay, so here's the dot times 10. How much numbers? For example, if it jumps over here, it would be 1. So like that we keep on increasing. Okay, so now let's see, here should be the dot because that's how we write the numbers in the standard form. So 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 moving numbers. So whether it is going this side, it would be in the positive. But if the 0 is over here, if it was already here, because it should be there when it is going to negative. So when this side means it should be in negative. So that's the basic rule of this one. Okay, so now let's see. So now as we hop 8 digits, what would happen means it would be equal to 2.99792458 times 10 raised to 8. So because as I said in the forward, it should be in an normal digit. Now let's take the negative format. Okay, so let's take this one, 9109.3836. Okay, times 10 raised to minus 28. So that means it should be before this. Okay, so they are already given minus 28, so it would be before 28 digits. So it should be before 28 digits, and they have already standard form, but still they have saying us to standard form because it's not straightly standard form. So how do we calculate? We are gonna calculate as, okay, so our number would be like 9.10938356. So this is our standard form. So how do you write it? So now let's take the same number and let me write it over here. 0.38356. So it will be 1, 2, 3. So it's hopping 3 digits. So we have to minus them from here. Minus 28 minus 3. What would happen is it would be 9.109385 times minus minus 10 raised to minus 25. So this would be our digits. So now this is how do you calculate it. So remember, when the number is not there, you have to imagine the number is here, and when when the decimal point is here, do not here, then you have to consider the decimal point is behind. But when the decimal point is already there, it should be in the negative. In case of a positive digit, what would happen is plus 3. No, it would be minus 3. So let's take, if it was minus, it was plus 28. What would happen? As we are going this side, it would be negative. So remember, as I said, it will be negative and this side would be positive. I'm so sorry for that, but yeah, this is the kind note of it. I said completely opposite. So while it is traveling this side, it would be positive. I mean the negative. So it would happen minus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 10 raised to 25. So this would be your answer. But as it is a negative, you have to minus it, which is equal to minus 25. So yes guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it for this video, and I will see you on the next video.